Adding a new class. After you've logged into STEMSIMS, select the Classes tab from the top menu. Select the Add Class button from the bottom of the screen. While in the Create Class screen, enter a name for your class, the academic year, the type of academic semester, grade level of the class, and the standards that you want to make as the default selection for that class. You can require that your students fully complete lessons and assessments before they make their lesson submissions, or you can choose for your students to leave some questions and tables blank. Once you complete your selections, select the Save button on the bottom of the screen. Notice that the new class you just created is now the active class.